That's coming out. Coaches and food.
Coaches and food?
Coaches and food.
¿Qué quiero ahí?
Sí, con la carne.
3.
Make me strong. Tacos make Mexican strong.
They do. They put a lot of creatine and, you know, a lot of creatine in tacos and BCAAs. I'm making that up. I don't know.
Yeah. No, for sure.
Quesabirria, ¿está lista una quesabirria?
You tried spicy food?
Like, it's gonna burn my ass off.
Not too bad.
These are big over here, the trucks, huh?
Huh? Him and the brother own these. They both own restaurants. Yeah. Oh, gracias. You want to let him try mine? I'll get some more. No. I get a film. How you like it, mate?
All the other tacos I've had are like soft.
Yes, sir.
It hits the spot.
It's authentic.
This guy's gonna have a cooking show, so we got to take him around to some places.
I want to learn how to cook. We should do one in the truck.
Similar to this in, I'll show you. Is there anything like this?
Fucking Guzman and Gomez. It's like a franchise type of thing.
Yeah?
Like it's alright, it's nice, but
Yeah.
it's not. You know, this shit's like proper Mexicans and that cooking it, you know?
Yeah? I'm going old school.
Polynesian. Maybe I'll do it too.
Yeah.
I mean, I like beef jerky too, but I mean,
But what? No one's gonna say nothing.
no. Except for me. Obviously, I said so.
If you got ugly toes like this,
It don't matter. Your hoops.
He wants to have goat hooks to develop his foot into a more of a hook.
can't get toe surgery.
So you're on to the next one.
What's this goat one?
So what else can you have them try out?
That comes in that style, but we got more meat. We got beef, we got marinated pork, we got chicken.
Yeah, I have a little bit.
When you don't eat it a lot, is there anything spicy in Australia? Any certain foods?
Yeah.
Hot sauce, mild sauce.
Give him the mild. He's probably not going to handle the mega. You got to grow your way into that.
Yeah.
He's coming out of Australia. The food's not as hot, man. I mean, Thailand, yeah. If you go to Thailand, you live there. So the salsa was okay?
That was nice.
Nice little jump, right? You see why we all eat it.